Today we'll show you how to install InvisibleShield Glass Elite Screen Protection. This set of instructions works for Glass Elite Vision Guard Plus, Glass Elite Privacy, and Glass Elite Anti-Glare. In the box you'll find information on the limited lifetime guarantee, an installation mat, a wet wipe to clean the screen, a microfiber cleaning cloth, a dust removal sticker to remove any remaining lint or dust, the Easy Apply Tray, and the InvisibleShield Glass Elite Screen Protector. First, clean your screen using the wet wipe to remove any smudges and oils. Follow up with the microfiber cloth. And finally, use the dust removal sticker to pick up any debris that may have settled back down on the screen. Now you're ready to install your InvisibleShield. Place your phone on the installation mat. This will keep it from sliding around during the installation process. Place the Easy Apply Tray on the front of your phone and press down. Check the corners to make sure they are secure and properly aligned. Using the tab marked number 1, remove the protective backing. Be careful not to touch the exposed adhesive side. Hold the InvisibleShield using the Easy Apply tabs and align it with the installation tray, making sure that the camera cutout is aligned properly. Place the InvisibleShield in the installation tray. Press in the middle of the screen and watch as the InvisibleShield applies itself. Use your thumbs to gently press out any bubbles. Remove the protective liner and remove the Easy Apply Tray from your phone. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe away fingerprints. And there you have it. Smooth, strong protection that lets you use your phone confidently wherever you are.